Hey, Rayodaniel here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do something a little bit crazy and have a little bit of fun in this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT to help you build a funnel or a website, and how you can do some customizations to it in this particular video. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button on the video, like the video at the end if you find it useful. Really, it helps me out. I appreciate it, and let's get to it. Awesome. So here we are inside of HighLevel, and what we're going to do is we're literally going to build just one simple funnel opt-in page from scratch using GPT completely to generate all the stuff that we're going to use on it, and we're even going to do some animations and stuff like that that you guys can do on your funnels as well. So let's hop into it here. We're in the funnel section, and we're just going to create a new funnel. Right now, I'm just going to call this green drink. If I can spell, green drink sample. Man, my typing is awful. So what we're going to do here in this particular opt-in page, we're going to set this up like it was a free opt-in for sign up here and you get a free green drink packet shake that we're going to mail to you. Just something like that. We got to have some kind of a theme to build a funnel page for, so I thought this would be kind of exciting. So here we're going to add a new funnel step. And just for lack of a better term, we'll just call it home to create a page. And we're going to sit back and create it from blank. So we're just going to start completely from scratch. So here what we're going to do is we're just going to do a full width record. We're going to do we're going to add one row here, and we're just going to add a headline element on top. Now, this particular video is not going to go over website funnels or the builders. Check out the other video on my channel that goes over all of that in detail if you're interested. But right now we've got one headline. What we need to do is come down here to the row, click on the row, and we're going to add a 2-column row here. Because what we're going to do here is we're going to sit back and add a sub-headline, because we're going to have a little small headline up at top, and then we're going to have just a paragraph with some text, some sales copy and stuff like that we're going to add to the page. So we're building this very quickly. Now over here, we're not going to have anything more than just a simple opt-in form. So right now, we're going to put in a form. Now, for the sake of this video, I've created a very basic, simple form that we'll take a look at here. That's just name, phone number, and email address for this, so we don't have to go through the form builder. I want to focus more on the GPT integration, but I call this form green drink sample, and here it is. Just a simple full name, phone number, email, get free green drink packet. Okay, so right now what we've got is some of the common components of a sales funnel page. Now what we want to do is we want to start customizing it here. One of the biggest problems I see people have is being able to actually create copy. Like, what should I write for my headline? What should I write from the sales copy of my page? And there are other tools out there that can help you generate it. I just thought it'd be kind of cool and fun to sit back and show you guys how to use ChatGPT to generate some ideas for you and help you out. So right now, I've got another tab created here. We've got I'm signed into my ChatGPT account. So right now, we're just going to start with a new chat. Now, right now, let's just start with the headline. So we want a headline, and we want to create a headline for a sales funnel page where we're giving away a green drink packet, we'll just say. Now, with ChatGPT, if you haven't utilized it before, let me take a step back here. Chat.openai.com is the website that you would use to access it. You do have to log in and create an account. There is a free account that you can have with this, but the free account, really, I've run across problems with it because basically what ends up happening is if ChatGPT is too busy to respond to your request, you keep getting like a too busy error. And then you basically have to keep going back, and you don't get predictable results, and you don't get what you need in a timely manner. You have to wait for the system to go off-peak, which typically means off-peak hours, because during business hours, people are utilizing it to generate just stuff that they need. So this is a paid copy of ChatGPT. But right now, when you're asking ChatGPT for something, the more descriptive you can be about what you want, the better result you're going to get. So I'm going to play with this a few times here, and I may end up stumbling here, but just follow me and just please forgive me, I'm just trying to show you some of the cool things we can do here. So right now what we want to do is we want to create a headline. So let's do create headline for opt-in funnel. Again, ChatGPT knows what an opt-in funnel is. So this is an opt-in funnel. We're looking for them to give us their name, first name, phone number, and email address. In return, we're going to give them a green drink packet. So create a headline for an opt-in funnel. Giving away a green drink packet for free in, well, let's just do this. Let's just do this and see what it generates here. Okay. Right now, revitalize your health with our free green drink packet. Join our opt-in funnel now. Okay. A little bit long maybe for a headline. So right now, what we can do is we can come back here and say, okay, well, that didn't quite give me the result I'm looking for. We'll just say, can you change the headline to be no more than 8 words? So right now what we've done is we've asked it. It's like, well, this is kind of too long. Now we were specific. Can you change what we just did and only make it 8 words? So free green drink packet, opt in now. Okay. So right now, not necessarily the most original, but right now we can simply just take this text, copy it, come back over here to the page, put that as our headline. You may want to just make it bold for this. Oh. There we go, bold for headline. So there it is. There's our headline. Free green drink packet, opt in now. Okay, pretty cut and dry. So right now, the next thing that we're going to need is this area for the copy. We're going to need something to put here and something for the actual sales copy offer. So right now, let's do create sales copy for opt-in funnel giving away free green drink packet. It helps if you spell it right here. So giving away a free green drink packet. No more than 200 words, including sub headline. Actually, let's change that a bit here. Let's kind of put that up here. Create sales copy and sub headline. For opt-in funnel, let's just see what it says here. Awesome. Okay, so right now what we did is we just quickly changed this, and what we did is it recognized that we're looking for sales copy and we're looking for a sub headline. So right now we can simply copy this sub headline message here, come back over here and copy and paste this into the same sort of area that we already had set up. Green drink offer here. We're just going to sit back. Perfect. Got our sales copy here that we can simply put on here that we didn't do ourselves. Imagine generating this stuff this fast. I mean, imagine being able to build an opt-in funnel within 5 or 10 minutes just using ChatGPT. What kind of value would that have for you guys? So right now, I know this isn't the most prettiest looking. I'm going to come over here and just adjust the fonts maybe to just make it bigger. But let's just assume that looks great, okay? I'm not trying to go for perfection here. Right now, what I'm trying to go for is I'm just trying to get for you guys to be able to fill out the information on a sales copy page and maybe do some cool stuff to the page itself. So right now, just within a few minutes here, we were able to use ChatGPT to give us a headline and give us a sub-headline and give us sales copy for this page, as well as being able to create an opt-in form. Great. We can go ahead and save this. Just make sure that we save it. Now, what if we could do some other cool stuff to this? I mean, this is an opt-in form. If we do a preview of it, I mean, it previews. I mean, we could make something a little bit bold and we could do other things, but how about we just start making some animations on here? Let's kind of make things move around and kind of flashy looking. So let's go ahead and look back here and just like the headline. Wouldn't it be nice if the headline did something, had some kind of an on-page load animation? So let's come back over here. And right now I don't want to mess with this, so I'm just actually going to start a new chat here that's going to deal with this. But we're going to say create HTML code to make opt-in funnel headline move on the page. Again, just trying to talk in simple words. Okay, let's just see what it does here. Okay, it's generating some keyframe values here. So, all right. I'm not even sure exactly what this is going to do, but let's put it on the page and let's see what it does. So right now, here's some of the things that might get a little bit techie. Now, ChatGPT copied this PHP code. As you take a look, you see it's PHP here. It's not just CSS code. So right now, in order to get what we need out of this, we have to get these area between the style pages. We don't need all the code. Right now, what I want to do is I want to show you what happens when you don't put in you put in some of these other items that HighLevel doesn't understand. We're going to get an error message. I'm going to show you how to back out and correct that, and then we're going to see what it looks like here. So we're going to copy this CSS code. If we go back on the form here for this funnel page, under settings, we've got custom CSS code. So here's where we can put all of the CSS code and then make some things, start doing stuff on the page. So I'm going to paste this code just the way it is and just save it. Now, ultimately, if I come back here and click preview, I should end up getting an error. You see all this stuff at the top. It comes back with, oh, you did something wrong. It's generating an error. Well, it's that style area, that style tag is what it doesn't like here. So this style, it doesn't like anything with tags in this. It has to be pure CSS code in here. So if we remove this and click save, come back up in here, the page should be the same as we did it before, but guess what? There's no animation. Nothing happened on the headline, and I'm going to tell you why. So here on this particular page, every element on the page has its own CSS identifier that identifies that particular element with from any other one on the page. So if this page had 10 headlines and 3 forms and take your pick, each one of those elements would have a different, unique CSS identifier that the page can actually use to find out a specific element on the page. So what we need to do is we need to find out what this element here for the headline is. Very easy to do in HighLevel. You just click on the element, go to advanced, and come down here to the bottom, and you see there's a CSS selector. You see this heading, it comes up with a custom name. We're just going to copy it, and then we're just going to come back in here into the custom CSS settings. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. You kind of have to know what you're doing here. This generated what they call keyframes. I'm not going to get into the code portion of this, but what you're really looking for is this headline area. So you want to take this headline area out all the way back to the period and just paste in the name of the headline. So we're going to click on that and click save. Now look what's happening already. So we didn't do anything, but now we're making the whole page sort of bob up and down. So we're going to do this, click save so we can just preview this and just see what this looks like. Okay, so right now we did ask ChatGPT to have the heading move. Now this is a continual move motion. Probably don't want to do this. This can be very irritating to the person looking at your page, but hey, if this is something that you want to do, here's the code. Because the headline is moving, all the other components under it have to move with it. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see if we can change this. So let's see. Okay, can you change the code so that the headline I'm just going to do, let's just say flies in from the right. So I know there's a couple of different movements here, flying in and dissolving and things like that are possible ways that something can be customized. But here it is. We asked it to change and it generated a whole new form CSS code for us. So we're going to sit back and we're not going to do the style tag. So we're going to copy everything here between the style tags, come back to the page. Notice this thing is still bouncing. We're going to delete everything in here and we're going to paste this code back in here. Now when I do that, notice that things stop moving because we still have to come into this area, come down and get the name of this headline code, and then go update the CSS code that we just had. So instead of the headline, for this one we want to come and put in the code and click save. So there it is. If you saw that quick action, you just had something move in from the right. And it's just a one-time movement. So we're going to load this again here and look at the headline. Wow. Okay, so the headline slides in from the right. It doesn't move anymore after that and just kind of gives the page a wow effect. So ChatGPT to the rescue. Generated all of the code for you. You didn't need to know how to do that. It just created it. You copied and pasted it and followed the instructions, and there you are. So hope you've enjoyed this presentation regarding ChatGPT and some of the cool things we can do with animations with ChatGPT and GoHighlevel. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe. Click on the bell so you get notified whenever I get some additional videos. I'm trying to publish a couple a week. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and have a great day. Hey, I want to thank you again for visiting my channel and give you one more little thing here. If you are interested in HighLevel and getting some additional HighLevel training, please see the link in the description below. I do have a free course I'm offering that covers everything related to HighLevel and gives you all the information that you need to know. Thank you so much and have a great day.